Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get more followers on TikTok. So let's just connect to TikTok app. Now here you can see in the top right the search bar. Click on it. Now in the search bar, just search for a TikToker who have so many followers, just like Will Smith. Now go to his ID, the first one. You can see he have 73 million followers. Just click on his followers. Now you can see his all the followers here. Just follow them as much as you can. After just following them, they will eventually follow you back. Not all of them, but some of them will follow you back. So guys, this is how can you get more followers on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.